My name is Ivan Yenga. I'm from Cameroon. I'm a marketer by profession, a trainer as well. I've been doing marketing for more than 15 years now. And I have Ivan Consulting and Training, which is the company that I manage and that I own. So under Ivan Consulting and Training, I've been able to create this mobile app. It's called iWing Marketplace. So the app is to help small business owners to effectively market themselves and to increase their visibility. Just a brief introduction about iWing Marketplace. So it's a marketplace for businesses owned by people of African descent. So it's global. It doesn't matter where you are. You can be in the US, you can be in Asia, you can be in Africa. If your business is here on this platform, it gives you the opportunity for many people to discover you. That is, it increases your brand awareness, increases your brand loyalty, and sales as well. So yeah, I am the founder, and this is how you can download the app. It's right now available on the Play Store and on the App Store. So these are the features of the app. You can search for businesses by categories, and the app presents brief information about, that's like a profile page of the business owner. So it has hyperlink where consumers can click and go to your social media or your website or your location if they need to navigate to your shop, and they can call you as well. So the vision is to encourage and to support local businesses. So though it seems global, but it's very much local. Like it's entirely focused on local businesses. Like, take for example, you can be in Silver Spring, and there's somebody in New York traveling to Silver Spring, and then they get here and they want to find like a hairdresser or hair braider or makeup artist. They can just go to the app, and then they will be able to search and find you and contact you. So I will go to the search to show you how the search works. So this is how the search works, right? So users or consumers can search for you they can search by category. That is, go into the category and then they check the various category and they'll be able to see you. And they can also search for you by entering a city. Take for example, you can enter any city in Maryland, take Silver Spring, or you can enter the city and you can enter the name of the business, and when you tap on the search button, you will have results. So you see, it's very local. It's very, very local. So it's helping local business to increase their visibility globally. So the search is very, very smart, and it's already creating an impact. So many people are already using it, and they're able to find a lot of information that they need. So you can also sign up using your email, and then when you sign up, you have to subscribe. Okay, subscription is only $30, and when you subscribe, you have access to list your business to the application. So I'm targeting Africans all over. I charge only $30 for 1 year. Africans in the United States only spend trillions, more than 1 trillion. But that money doesn't stay in our community. It goes out quickly. So this is to help the money to stay in our community. So if you need like a handyman or somebody to do remodeling, you can easily find somebody of an African descent who can, help you. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So my first question will be, great presentation, my first question will be, what makes your app different from the Google search and from Yelp? So when you go to Yelp and you can do similar search words, African and hair salon, things like that. What makes it different, and how can what makes it different in terms of these are free searches and you are charging?
So in marketing, right, you as a company, you need to design a marketing strategy for your business, and you look for what works for you. Where are your customers? That's what you should be thinking. A lot of Africans, they come to my page because it has an article section where I used to drive traffic to my website and a mobile application. So they come there for the information and they look for businesses as well. So I'm focusing on a niche, and if you're targeting that niche, your business will be here. And then also, this is to everybody. If you're doing business, you want to make profit. So whatever you're doing, you have to put yourself out there so that people know what you're doing. I mean, if you're baking cake and you're the best person in Maryland to bake cake, if people don't know about you, nobody's going to ever call you or buy from you. So this is just another avenue that you can leverage in order to get yourself out. Thank you very much.